The topic of today's video is how to enable margins on Webull. Alright, so a margin account lets you borrow funds from Webull against your cash and securities, offering up to 4 times day trade leverage and 2x overnight leverage. So that means with $2,000 in your account, you could access up to $8,000 for same day trades. Now, there are requirements to be able to enable this. First of all, you need to have an actual margin account, not a cash account. You need at least $2,000 in net account equity, and you've completed the margin agreement and suitability questionnaire. Now, I am not going to be able to directly show you because I do not have a margin account and I don't qualify for a margin account, but you can find it in settings. So let's use the app and I can give you a rough idea. So you'd go to the top right hand corner. In this screen, you'll have an option that says manage brokerage account. Of course, I don't have it. It would be around about here where mine says options trading. Once you click in there, you can just tap upgrade account or change account type. After you do apply for your margin account and hopefully complete the forms correctly, you need to wait 1 to 2 business days for approval. In this period, do keep in mind you can't trade or withdraw. And once you have successfully been approved, margin activates automatically. You don't have to toggle it on. Make sure that you have deposited at least $2,000 or have equivalent marginable assets, guys. One thing to keep in mind is that this is in no way any type of financial advice. Any losses you incur, you are fully liable for them. Trade at your own discretion. And that is all I've got for you. Oh, one other thing, make sure you have no GFVs. I feel like that should be obvious, but anyways, that is all I've got for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.